got some free magnets from this craft shops, and so I can make it for my next time project. So we're going to go now. This is the shop that we're going to go to find some free magnets. Let's go and see to find some free magnets. Before I'm going to buy this magnets. Hi guys, today we're going to do a special video for a special viewer. And they're very kind and they always motivate us. They suggested us to make a free magnets video. So we couldn't do that earlier, but today we're going to do that. To show you how to make a fridge magnet using bottle caps. I'm going to show a couple of different methods of doing it. So number one, how to make a caterpillar fridge magnet. The things that we need are 4 small bottle caps, 4 circles, googly eyes, 1 glue stick, fridge magnets, peach pendants, glue, a strong pinch pendant. Let's get started. I've taken 3 light green circles and 1 dark green circle. So 3. I'm going to make the head of the caterpillar with the dark green circle. So now you have to, with a pencil, you have to draw its face. You take 2 magnets and stick one behind the head and another one of any other trees. There you go. Done. To stick the magnets you need very strong glue, but I'm not allowed to use it, so mom is going to help me. And I will stuck the magnets here, so then we can now arrange the bottle caps like this and then stick them with the strong glue. And then my mom's also going to help me again. Once we have fixed it, we have to let it dry. The things that we need are a bottle cap, a paper that can the same size as the bottle cap, googly eyes, a magnet, cardboard, and liquid glue. Just to put the paper circle on the bottle cap. Draw a ladybug on the top. Done the ladybug, you have to stick these googly eyes on top. Done. You stick these 2 cardboards together and then put them on the bottle cap. Stick this fridge magnet behind the cardboard with the strong glue that my mom will help me to do that. See, now it is done now. See, now you have to flip it and let it dry. Another idea without bottle caps, with soft toys or old toys that you're not using anymore. If you have a small toy, you can make a fridge magnet out of it. See, when I was little, I used to play with these toys, but now I'm not playing with them, so we're going to make make a fridge magnet out of them. First you take the toy and see if there's any flat parts. You have to do triangle here for the giraffe and for the octopus here. Done. We've stuck the magnets here, so now we have to let it dry. Look, these are the magnets that we made. A ladybug, a giraffe, and one octopus.
What is an octopus?
Thanks for watching our video. Also give us thumbs up.